Rachel Brockhausen, an 8th grade student from Mr. Rogers' 3rd period class, and students teaching students present Polynomials, addition and subtraction. Polynomials are used to create parabolas. That is a parabola. If it was upside down, it would be a parabola. If you throw something, the path that the object travels through the air is a parabola. But we're not here to learn about parabolas. We are here to learn the great and mystical art of adding and subtracting polynomials. So let's get started. Now that we've begun, what is a polynomial? For example, 2x plus 3b minus 2a minus 1b is a polynomial, and the simplified answer is 2x plus 2b minus 2a. But why? Let me teach you a simple rule that will help you do this math correctly. This rule is about families. X is a family, B is a family, and A is a family. Families do not mix, ever. The reason we got this answer is because B is the only common family in the equation. The A's, X's, and B's cannot mix with each other because they are not in the same family. Here, let me elaborate. Like I said, families do not mix. 1 tomato plus 2 oranges, or 1y plus 2x, does not ever equal 3 oranges, or 3x. This is because families don't mix, like I said, and I'm pretty sure that oranges and tomatoes have different names for a reason. Here's a tip. Don't think of this as hard. It's just simple arithmetic with numbers that are more selective. Now for our first addition problem. Please pause and try to solve on your own. We will go over the problem afterwards. (5x plus 2ab plus 3a, the equation, is in its simplest form, or is the answer, and cannot be combined because there are no common family groups. Even though the family groups A and AB are similar, they are not the same and cannot be combined. Our second addition problem is now coming up. It is 2x plus 3y squared plus 2x squared plus y squared. Please pause and try to solve on your own. The answer is 2x plus 4y squared plus 3x squared. This is because there are 3 families, x, y squared, and x squared. But y squared is the only common family. So the y squareds is the only family that can be moved around or added and subtracted. The lone y squared has an imaginary 1 in front of it. This is because it stands alone. There is only 1 in its group, so it has an imaginary 1 in front of it. Just as a recap, families don't mix. The y squared has an imaginary 1 in front of it because it is by itself and is the only number in its party. Now for the great and terrible subtraction. This is exactly the same as addition, but with negative numbers. Now for our first problem. Please pause and solve. Our equation, 3x squared plus 2y minus x minus 4x squared. The answer to this is negative 1x squared plus 2y minus x. This is because we have only one family that can move around, which is x squared. Because it is the only common family in the whole equation, all the other families stay the same and they didn't go anywhere. Just as a little note, x squared is not x, no matter how you try and cut it. The little 2 at the top, the exponent, makes all the difference. So, I hope I've cleared up any confusions that you may have had on the subject of adding and subtracting polynomials. Farewell and good luck to you in all of your mathematical endeavors. This is officially